Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been long I really posted. Yeah, life happened. Life is happening. Life can be so unfair. Life can just go the way you don't think. You never expected it to go. There was this friend, not really a friend, someone I know, it's been years the person died. Like most times I just think about her, I'll be like, if she was going to die this young, what was the reason for all her stress? What was the reason why she hustled so much just to die? Whenever I'm going through my contacts and I see her phone, I'll be like, so that's the end. How we met her, when my grandma was alive, my grandma stayed with my aunty, my mommy's elder sister in Aba. So she was the nanny employed to take care of my grandma. So after 2 months, my grandma died. So the lady in question was not thinking of what to do. My mom now said, okay, she should come to Owerri. We have a shop that is empty, so she can sell our drinks for us because we sell drinks in the shop. And then she can make her hairdressing since that's what she learned. And none of us is around. We're basically all in school then. She came around, she stayed. Someone now, as time is going, everybody married, which is actually a good thing. But the guy that was acting as if he was interested now put her in a family way. So when she got pregnant, the guy now wanted to do her, her bride price rights, but was told he couldn't do it just because of the fact that she's pregnant, because there are some places in Igbo land where a woman that is pregnant, you can't do the bride price till the woman has given birth. So that was the case. Really sad, because this person I'm talking about is a hustler. If you see the way she hustles, sends money for her siblings, she's an all-rounder. She's someone that, there are some people that you meet in life and they will have such an impact on your life. Auntie Comfort was one of those people. She wasn't blood, but she wasn't blood, but she was a solid figure in my life. Even when I was in the university, I knew that no matter what, I can never die of hunger. Even if I don't want to disturb my mom, I have an auntie that she will give me the little she has. So when she got pregnant, the guy started acting up after they refused him from paying the bride price. They're acting up as if he wasn't interested anymore. She didn't have any choice. She had to move on with life. Mom told her, it's okay. You understand me? Thank God you have a skill. You make hair, so you can actually take care of your baby. I remember the last call I had with her. That should be, I was at home. No, I went for home lesson then to my neighbor. I do lesson for their kids. So she now called me and said that she's having cramps, contractions. And I thought, okay, has she gone to the hospital? She said she has gone. They told her to walk around, do exercise. I told me she's scared. I told her nothing is there. I reminded her of a little girl we knew that just gave birth. I told her having a problem. So you can imagine that you be strong, but just be hopeful. Nothing will happen. She said, okay, no problem. So so later she now gave birth. She now called. I told her she gave birth. Then later, that's why she did it. They say she has died, that she suffered from preeclampsia. I don't know what mean just like that. And life is really, really not fair, because it's someone that puts herself out there for over a long period of time. But it's well. Most times I just remember how what if she hasn't taken it? What if she just moved on with life and just live life as a single lady? For this party. May her soul keep resting in peace. I just remember that today because sometimes I just really want to talk to her. May her soul keep resting in peace. Amen.